Welcome to today's exploration where we question the viability of traditional paths to financial security. In this discussion, we'll dissect why the once reliable advice to go to school, get a job, and save money is becoming increasingly ineffective in today's dynamic economic landscape. Join us as we uncover the benefits of embracing an entrepreneurial mindset for wealth creation and financial independence. 1. The obsolete idea of traditional employment. The financial landscape has dramatically transformed, rendering old strategies for economic stability nearly obsolete. In an era of rampant currency inflation and significant economic shifts, saving money in traditional ways is less effective. Why save when the value of money continues to diminish as more is printed? This not only erodes the purchasing power of your savings but also widens the economic divide. It's vital to recognize these changes and adapt by seeking innovative financial strategies that align with current realities. Moreover, the concept of a secure, lifelong job is quickly becoming a relic of the past. Technological advancements, globalization, and shifting economic policies have reshaped the job market, often leading to unpredictable career paths and job instability. This new reality demands a shift in how we approach our careers and financial planning. No longer can we rely solely on a job to provide for our future. Instead, we need to cultivate financial literacy and develop multiple streams of income. 2. The internal rich, middle class, and poor. Deep within each of us lie three personas: the poor, who are driven by survival; the middle class, who strive for stability and security through steady paychecks; and the rich, who seek freedom and financial independence. These financial identities are not just mere reflections of our current bank balances but are deeply ingrained in our psyches, shaped by our upbringing, societal norms, and the education system. Each persona has distinct traits, desires, and fears that influence our financial decisions and life choices. The poor persona is often characterized by a scarcity mindset, where financial decisions are driven by fear and a focus on short-term survival rather than long-term planning. This mindset can lead to financial decisions that may provide immediate relief but often at the cost of long-term prosperity. The middle-class persona, on the other hand, values security above all. This group tends to seek out jobs that offer predictable paychecks and benefits, preferring the safety of the known over the risk and potential rewards of investment and entrepreneurship. Conversely, the rich persona embodies a growth mindset, characterized by a focus on creating and accumulating wealth. This identity is not afraid to take calculated risks, invests in financial education, and uses money as a tool to increase wealth through investments in assets like real estate, stocks, and businesses. The rich persona is proactive about financial planning, continually seeking opportunities to maximize returns and minimize liabilities. 3. Lessons from Rich Dad. Reflecting on Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Consider the profound impact of relying on a regular paycheck. Rich Dad highlighted how such dependence can create a financial trap that stifles personal growth and innovation. He proposed that escaping this trap involves more than just stepping away from the paycheck. It requires a fundamental shift in how we perceive and handle money. This mindset change is essential for anyone aspiring to financial independence and wealth accumulation. Rich Dad argued that the conventional route of earning a paycheck puts you in a cycle of dependence that is hard to break. He likened it to being stuck on a financial treadmill, where you work hard for your money but never learn how to make your money work hard for you. The danger here is not just the stagnation of financial growth but also the limitation it imposes on personal and professional development. The moment you accept a paycheck, your financial creativity begins to diminish because you are conditioned to expect fixed, regular income. He emphasized the value of financial education, which goes beyond traditional learning. According to Rich Dad, financial education involves understanding the dynamics of assets and liabilities, and mastering the art of investing and leveraging debt. It's not merely about saving money, it's about making informed decisions that lead to wealth generation. This type of education teaches you to see opportunities where others see obstacles, encouraging a proactive approach to wealth building. Rich Dad's teachings also include the concept of learning to earn by not earning. This paradoxical advice meant that sometimes, the best way to learn about wealth creation is by foregoing immediate financial gratification. 4. Entrepreneurship as a mindset. Entrepreneurship transcends the simple act of starting and managing a business. It embodies a mindset that includes not only distinct skills but also a unique set of rules and attitudes toward work and money. This entrepreneurial mindset challenges the traditional employment norms and compels a proactive approach to financial independence and career development. It isn't limited to business owners. It's an approach that can be adopted by anyone, in any career, who seeks to innovate and control their economic destiny. The entrepreneurial mindset is first and foremost about vision. It involves seeing beyond the present circumstances and imagining potential futures where others see none. Entrepreneurs are often visionaries who can anticipate market needs and shifts before they become obvious. This ability to forecast and act on future trends is crucial for creating and sustaining successful enterprises and personal wealth. 5. The reality of entrepreneurial life. My personal shift to entrepreneurship was a transformative experience marked by the receipt of my last paycheck. This pivotal moment was both daunting and liberating, signaling the end of traditional employment and the start of a journey towards self-reliance and financial creativity. The journey of an entrepreneur is marked not just by the freedom it brings, but also by the diverse challenges and steep learning curves that come with it. The reality of entrepreneurial life involves a continuous balancing act between risk and reward. In the early days, the risks are high and the rewards may seem distant and uncertain. The lack of regular income can be stressful and can put significant pressure on personal and financial resources. However, this pressure also drives innovation and efficiency, compelling you to make the most of limited resources and find creative solutions to complex problems. 6. Big picture financial strategies. In today's economy, traditional financial advice such as avoiding debt and saving in a bank may seem prudent, but it often falls short in terms of fostering genuine wealth creation. Instead, mastering the strategic use of debt can transform your financial landscape, offering you opportunities to amplify your wealth significantly. This concept, often misunderstood and poorly executed, is a cornerstone of entrepreneurial finance and can lead to substantial economic advantages when handled correctly. Understanding debt as a tool is fundamental. Many are taught to fear debt, viewing it as a pitfall rather than a lever. However, in the hands of a knowledgeable investor, debt becomes a powerful means to build assets. For instance, leveraging low-interest debt to finance high-return investments can exponentially increase your financial portfolio's value. This strategy requires a deep understanding of market conditions, investment timing, and risk assessment. The key is to distinguish between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is investment-driven, bringing in greater returns than the cost of the debt itself. This could mean purchasing real estate that generates rental income exceeding the mortgage and maintenance costs or buying equipment that increases business efficiency and output. Conversely, bad debt, typically used for consumption, depreciates in value and offers no financial return. Effective entrepreneurs and investors strive to maximize their use of good debt while minimizing or eliminating bad debt. 7. Economic changes and challenges. Since the pivotal year of 1971, when the U.S. abandoned the gold standard, the fundamental nature of money has undergone a dramatic transformation, evolving into what is essentially a debt-based system. This shift has profound implications for everyone, particularly entrepreneurs, as it decouples money from tangible assets and ties it more closely to government policies and market psychology. Understanding these changes is critical for anyone looking to navigate the financial landscape successfully. This transformation has been accelerated by the digital revolution, which has increased the rate at which new technologies disrupt old industries. The concept known as Moore's Law, which posits that the power of microchips doubles approximately every 18 months, serves as a metaphor for broader economic changes. As technology evolves, so too does the economy, at an ever-increasing pace, making previous business models obsolete more quickly than ever before. Entrepreneurs must stay informed about these shifts, as the ability to anticipate and react to new trends can be the difference between success and failure. This requires a commitment to continuous learning and adaptability, an entrepreneurial agility that involves not just keeping up with, but staying ahead of, market trends and technological advancements. 8. Entrepreneurial spirit in troubled times. The mark of a true entrepreneur is the ability to see beyond the current economic conditions. Entrepreneurs thrive by focusing on their internal economy, their ability to manage personal finances and adapt to changing circumstances. This internal focus enables them to find opportunities even in downturns and continuously move towards greater financial success and security, irrespective of external economic pressures. As we conclude this insightful discussion, it's clear that redefining our approach to earning, learning, and succeeding is crucial. Moving forward, embrace a mindset that isn't limited by past constraints but is open to exploring innovative possibilities. Whether you decide to embark on an entrepreneurial journey or adopt an entrepreneurial approach to your career, the goal is to build a future that aligns with your personal vision of success and stability.